My name is Bob Disco, and I'm one of the co-chairs of the Roundtable on Science and Welfare in Laboratory Animal Use, which is the entity within the Institute for Laboratory Animal Research that has been putting together these workshops periodically over the last several years in order to give us opportunities to discuss topics of great interest to our membership and the individuals we serve, and also to bring people together that might not otherwise meet in a context to discuss some of these topics and the broad ranges of impact that they have on one another. I'm here because Lida Anestidou, who is our senior staff member in the National Academies, is delayed. She unfortunately injured her leg, and you will probably see her limping around later on today. But I'm going to go through a few of the critical functions for the folks here. Those of you on the webinar, you don't have to really know this, which is where the restrooms are, and that is just outside the door. If you go to your right, then at the end of that hallway that surrounds this lovely auditorium, the men's and women's rooms are there. Also for the folks here, should you need to have internet access, there is a wireless, it is called Visitor, and the key thing to remember is that it is not secured, and so do not do any banking while you're here today. The other thing to let the speakers know, as you can see, some of the tent nameplates are up there. If you would please bring them with you, because when you have the panel discussion that way, everyone will recognize who it is that they need to be addressing their question to. So we appreciate that. So we are thrilled to be hosting this workshop here in this auditorium, Fred Kavli Auditorium, here at the National Academies of Sciences. We hope that everyone who is here and all of you watching from home or at work will get a lot out of this session, which is on animal modeling and support of precision medicine. And without further ado, I'm going to introduce one of the leaders of this workshop, who is also my co-chair for the roundtable, and that is Dr. Kent Lloyd.